As you all know, one of the greatest musical talents of all time, the legendary S.P. Balasubramaniam sir, is unwell. He's currently on ventilator support, and while his condition is stable, his fight is far from over. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi, and I believe that if you pray really hard, then all the obstacles in the way of good people will be removed. And Balu sir is one of the greatest people I know. So I want to pray for him by reciting a shlokam, which I know he likes very much. It's called Ganesha Pancharatnam. It's written by Adi Shankaracharya. If you know the prayer, please say it with me. If you don't, just say a silent prayer for him, please, so that we can get Balu sir back. And Balu sir will know that we're all waiting for him to come back in full health to us. And also sending my strength and love to his family, and especially Charan. We're all with you, Charan, and hopefully sir will feel better soon. Mudakarathamodakam sada vimukti sadhakam kaladharavatam sakham vilasi lokarakshakam anayakaikanayakam vinashite badaityakam natashubhashunashakam namamitam vinayakam nate tarati bhishanam navoditarkabhashanam namatsurari nirjaram natarjikapadurdharam Sureshwaram Nidhishwaram Gajeshwaram Ganeshwaram Maheshwaram Tamashraye Paratparam Nirantaram Samasta Loka Shankaram Nirasta Daitya Kunjaram Dare Darodaram Varam Vare Bhavaktramaksharam Kripakaram Kshamaakaram Mudakaram Yashaskaram Manaskaram Namaskritam Namaskaromi Bhaswaram Akinchanarti Marjanam Chirantanokti Bhajanam Purari Purvanandanam Surari Garvacharvanam Prapanchanasha Bhishanam Dhananjayadibhushanam Kapoladhanavaranam Bhaje Puranavaranam Nitantakanta Dantakanti Mantakantakatmajam Achintya Rupamantahinamantaraaya Krintanam Hridantare nirantaram vasantameva yogina tamekadantamekαμeva chintayami santanam. Come back to us, Balu sir. We all love you.